What's up, guys? Gonna be showing you guys how I put on my the Rosso oil catch can on a Whippled application. This is a 5.3 Silverado 2016. I just got it Whippled like 5 days ago, and I haven't seen no videos of people installing the catch cans on the newer trucks and Whippled applications, and I was figuring it out right now. It's a little different. I'll show you guys how to do it. I mounted this thing up yesterday. Mounted up like this on the bracket. Bolts up to the windshield washer fluid. Bolts up right there. I hooked everything up, all the fittings on it yesterday. It's on there pretty good. I'll show you guys the part number right now. I mounted that up, and then I finally figured out how these hoses go. One of them comes in here, and then the other one will go to where this hose is going. So both PCV fittings in and out come to this, and this thing does its job and it goes back in. So I was about to measure up the hose. So yeah, let me hook this up and then I'll be right back. Alright, so taking this thing apart, the one that comes out of the PCV to the Whipple, it comes mounted something like this on there, and then this piece goes on here. To get this one out, since it's barbed, I was about ready to just cut it, but I started pulling and twisting at the same time, counterclockwise, and it comes out. That's the way to do it, so you don't have to cut it. The reason I'm taking it out there is the Rosso kit came with this thing. It's a little adapter. Put it in here, hook up the hose to it on the other side, and then that'll go to the catch can. The reason I'm doing that is because you can see, or you can't see actually, that thing is way it's in there. I can't reach it with my fingers, so there's like literally, I don't know how they get to it. I probably have to take the intake off. Even then it's gonna be a bitch. So I'm gonna just put that little adapter piece and then run the rest of the hose to here. All right, I got it done. Find that one, come in right here, got it clamped up. This one, I was having trouble with it. I ended up doing a 3/8 like a connector, connected two pieces. The one that was coming straight to the supercharger, put the adapter in here, ran it to the 3/8 fuel line, made it fit. It looks like shit. So what I did, I ordered a braided line from a machine shop around here. So either way, I'm gonna change these out to braided lines. Get rid of this ugly connection right there, but just made it work for the video, just so you guys can see, at least for reference. So yeah, there it is. Looks pretty good. Want to make more videos on the truck. I've been wanting to. I've been just putting it off. Give you a little walk around. I have Kings front and back. I have it on the street tires right now. These are the ones I run, 20s with 33 km 3s. I was doing some hood rat shit, so got the street tires on. Let me know if you guys want to see more vids on this thing. I need some motivation to post up some videos, so let me know. I'll give you guys a little startup. Oh, let me get my keys. Basically just Whipple, headers, plug wires, and then 3-inch exhaust to Master 50. I didn't want out. Keep you guys posted.